In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up for the Bluehost affiliate program. I'll give you some tips and tricks to make money with the affiliate program, and I'll give you the key information that you need to know about making money and getting paid from Bluehost. I've made money with Bluehost affiliate myself, so I'm going to give you some tips and tricks as well as show you how you can sign up. So to sign up for their affiliate program, you first need to go to bluehost.com and you need to scroll all the way down, and then you should see at the bottom of their page an affiliate section. So it's here under programs, so go ahead and click on affiliate section. Now here, once you're on the affiliate section, you can see you can refer visitors to Bluehost and you can earn $65 for each qualified sign up. Now what this means is every person that you refer to Bluehost and they go and buy a plan on Bluehost, you're going to earn $65. Now the way this works, you're going to earn the $65 3 months after they sign up. This is to make sure that they don't cancel their plan and to make sure that you're sending quality leads to Bluehost. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and sign up for an account. Now the sign up process is relatively easy. There isn't a lot of information you need to put in this field. Your username, password, some personal information here, and your PayPal email address. Bluehost pay through PayPal, or I do believe if you're from India, you can also get a payment through your bank account. Now you're not going to be able to sign up and get approved straight away. They are going to have to approve you, and whatever you put here in your primary URL needs to be a decent traffic source. What I mean by that is if you've got a YouTube channel and you're going to make YouTube videos, you need to put that, and it needs to be high quality or high enough quality that it isn't spam. If you've got a Facebook group, a Twitter profile, and so on, you need to link that in your primary URL. Now once you are signed up, you will be on a dashboard which looks something like this. You can see you've got your net clicks, your net earnings, and your net signups, and they will all be tracked here. Now you can also scroll down and see more clicks, and you can see where your clicks are coming from. Now to get your link, you want to go to links, and here you can get your individual link to Bluehost. This is going to be your affiliate link. You can also scroll down and you've got different campaign banners, which for some reason aren't showing on mine. I think it's because I've got ad block on. But you can go and filter through these campaign banners and use them on your website. And then once you've got some signups and you're waiting for the money, I do believe they will be in stats. So you can see here your bounty per signup. And then if you go to payout history, you'll be able to see your pending payments. So you can see I haven't been paid in a long time. I don't promote it anymore. But you can see I've got $65 commissions here, 85, 85, 65, and so on. We can keep scrolling down. Now Bluehost pay after you've reached $100. So after you've got $100 in your account, they will pay out into PayPal. Or like I said, in India, I think it's bank account. I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you do leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've got any questions.